Hey boys and girls, got this M140i in, very nice car. It's got a few problems, which is why it's in for a detail, but I noticed one issue was moss growing in these window trims here. I think that this is something you have to get to immediately. Now I'll show you how to do that. So we're just going to put a little Jaffa in there, not too much. Jaffs. That's it, there we go. Let it sit just for a little bit, let it do its thing, not too long. Definitely don't want it to dry. I'm going to agitate it. Back to my trusty toothbrushes, which I love. They're virtually free because after you're done with them at home, you can bring them to work. And if you get soft toothbrushes, which I think you do, but speak to Rob the dentist. Soft toothbrushes will do almost no damage to almost anything on the car. Don't use them on paint, of course, but the things like this, you will do zero damage, and it just happens to do the best job yet again. I can already tell, I'm not sure if you can see, but I can already tell that that's cleaned it up. I mean, you have to get the gunk out of there, but it's broken down all that moss. It wasn't too bad. Owner of this car regularly looks after it, it's regularly cleaned. It's actually very, very clean. However, it lives outside and it gathers in here, and he probably hasn't noticed that it's been building up. So now we'll get the high pressure onto it. Beautiful. Look at that is pristine. Took no time at all. Took 20 cents in Jaffa and 2 minutes to do. Here's ones we prepared earlier. Same treatment. They're almost dry. Very nice. Nice and clean. So there you go, very easy to do, very, very easy to do, very quick, very cheap, just do it. Have a look in there, if they need doing, tend to them. Thank you.